asset accounting is all for the assets part. Whatever the assets we purchase, few things are there which we have to repeat, and few are same. We don't need to redefine it. Like
Okay.
we, for example, if you have created a chart of account for the particular company code, you don't need to create another chart of account, but you have to create a multiple account group as per the requirement, right? Right?
Yes, so
Uh, Account groups, you need to create it, na? As per the
yeah,
requirement.
yes.
Same way, the chart of depreciation will be assigned to the company code, and after that, whenever you purchase any asset or any asset, doesn't matter what is the asset name, it should be a fixed asset. Any
Okay.
fixed assets, machine, laptop, or anything else. You don't need to assign again the chart of depreciation.
Okay.
Once it is assigned, no repetition. Then, once you have assigned, you will have to also create the tax codes before assignment. Although I have given in the step 3, but when we try to assign this chart of depreciation to company code, it will give us the error regarding the tax code input non-taxable specifically. We have created the taxable one, the V1, V2 and others in the GST part.
Yeah.
Now we have to create the non-taxable, that is V0. That's why I
Okay.
avoided the V0 one at that time.
Okay.
V0 for input. These are the standard. We can't, there is no change in it.
Okay.
So V0 and A0, same way we have created earlier, but without any percentage anywhere. At the time of creating this text code earlier, we have given the percentage na, regarding the CGST, SGST 9% and the IGST 18%.
Yes.
But here, just only you have to mention V0 account text type V for input exam and just save. And then we'll assign it, assign this text codes, and then we'll only able to assign our chart of depreciation to our company code. This is a one-time process for any company code. Okay.
Okay.
One-time process.
Okay.
Then when comes to the specific account determination, this is basically the multiple accounts are already created here. Account determinations are already there, which specify the type of assets, because there is machine, laptop, any fixture or land or any equipment. Multiple account determinations are already there. We can just copy it or we can even create it. Both the options are there,
Okay.
and we'll give a particular number to that particular account determination. This process will be done for every asset. One time, for example, you are initially on the initial stages, you have purchased uh, the monitor, for example, or any particular TV screen for the board meeting purpose. Once you have created a account determination, you don't need to create it again for particular that particular object. For example, for the TV screen,
Okay.
you have to go through all this process, the screen layout. This will be just copied. There is no any creation for that. Multiple screen layouts are already there. We'll just copy it. We'll give a number range to that particular, that which number will be given whenever an asset will be purchased.
Okay.
Then we'll create the asset class, in which we give all the details what we have just filled in the step 5, 6 and 7. And once the asset class is created, we'll be able to purchase the assets. And between that, we should have at least all the accounts, the GL accounts, that is the purchase account, assets account, depreciation accounts. It is given in the chapter part 2. I'll just show you once. For creating any, for basically for entry. For entry purpose, we need all these accounts. So we'll do all the things stepwise, and once we create these GL accounts and assign these GL accounts, then we'll go for the creation of the assets. So these are all the steps on the regular basis and in the sequence. Only then we'll able to create any asset and then purchase any asset. And our final task is to purchase the asset, or we will say the acquisition of assets. And this part up to the configuration 10, you have done it for the one asset, for example laptop. In case you again purchasing the laptop, you don't need to repeat this. You have to just again create the new asset, basically the new laptop.
Okay.
You don't need to repeat these steps. But instead of the laptop you are purchasing something else, then you have to repeat all these steps from this part, the configuration 5. You have to
Okay.
go through from configuration 5 to 9. uh, One second, not 9, up to 10. We have to maintain the depreciation key for that as well.
Okay.
This is clear.
Yes, sir.
So whenever we purchase any laptop, once we have done it, no repetition. But in case of laptop, it is any machine or anything, we have to repeat this part. And the first four steps will be once done for a company code. It will not be repeat again for that particular company code only.
Okay.
This is clear.
Yes, it's clear.
Okay. Then we'll go for creation of the all the GL accounts which are required. That is the machine or the laptop, whichever the asset it is. Then accumulated depreciation, depreciation, loss on sale of asset, profit on sale of assets, scrap and technical repairing. Although these are accounts which will be, some are used in purchase, some in the sales, and some in year end when the depreciation will be charged. But we have to create all here,
Okay.
and then we'll assign them respectively to the particular field where it is required. And once we have assigned it, the second last working will come here. One is the creation of asset and then purchase of asset. Purchase of asset will be basically the last step in this.
Okay.
And purchase of asset is not a configuration. It's the end user work. Whenever an asset will be purchased, the end user will execute this process. And
Mm.
rest all part is the configuration up to the configuration 13. So is it clear?
Yes, sir, it's fine.
So can you explain once regarding the this assignment part 1? What are the steps we have to do once and will not be repeated again? And in case of change of asset, which particular step will be done?
Yeah, 1 minute.
Just go through the notes, the
Yes.
chapter 1, and then
First, we'll configure the chart. Sorry. Yeah, chart of depreciation. Then it's assigned to the company code. We'll create tax code. This for this we did not give any percentage. It's just B0, and this input tax indicator also is given. Okay, up to configuration 4, we do it for a single company code. Then only once we do it, and after that it's from configuration 5 Okay, all.
And then for up to the specific account determination to up to the
Yeah,
chart of depreciation, it will be repeat if new asset is there, like from machine to laptop or laptop to, you'll say, any fixture, right?
yeah,
Okay. And whenever a same asset is again purchased, for example, once you have purchased a laptop, now you require second one. So just the purchase entry and the asset acquisition part, the this one, creation of asset and purchase acquisition. The rest, these are already once done, the GL account creation. You just need to create the another account instead of machine to laptop, right?
yeah.
Okay, so we'll just start it. And one more thing is there, that in this case particularly for the initial steps, step 1 and 2, use the specific navigation path instead of the T code, because there are three steps, that is the copy reference start of depreciation, delete, delete and rename this specific description. If you go with the T code, it will just land it to your this part only, and navigation path will able to open all the three, like the same with the GST. If you remember step 1 and 3,
Yes.
if we go with the navigation path, we have the screen for 1 and 3 on the same part, and if we go with the T code, it will land up on the step 1 only.
Okay.
So we'll just on the system, and when you use the navigation path, it will be very easy instead of the T codes here, because all the working, maximum working is on the same screen when it comes to the chapter 1, or I'll say the part 1 of the asset accounting. All are in sequence. The way it is given in the notes and way it is required, specifically the required steps, all are given in the sequence. You will see, we'll go in the financial accounting new. Until now, we have given the financial accounting, global settings, general ledger accounting, account receivables, payables, right?
Yes.
Now we go on the asset accounting, organizational structure, copy reference, chart of depreciation, assignment, the first, second configurations.
Okay.
And from 5th step to 10, asset class, and all the steps are there up to specific depreciation 6.
Okay.
All the steps are there. So it will be easy to use the navigation, but we have to keep in mind all the navigation T code as well in
Okay.
case of requirement. So at first we go on for the copy reference, chart of depreciation. We'll go on the copy. There is a standard chart of depreciation is given, that is 01N, and I also mentioned, 1IN, Indian chart of depreciation. The standard one is given in the system, so we'll
Okay.
just copy the same, like V3 fiscal year
Yes. Yes.
variant, same thing.
Yeah.
We'll click on the copy, 1IN to our specific company code 205
Okay.
identification. No, identification was 205 na.
Yes, sir.
So using the same, yes, again chart of depreciation IN copied to 205, but still this whole process is left, only one part is done. So we'll come one step back, go on specific chart of depreciation. Here we just rename our description. So if you want to rename it, you can, or if you want to keep it same, we can keep the same.
Okay.
Chart of depreciation for company code 205. save. Then the main step is the third one, where we have to delete all the chart of depreciations except this one. There are depreciation areas multiple,
Okay.
but we have to just keep one depreciation area, that is the book depreciation, and rest we have to delete.
Okay.
So we'll select all and delete. And here we'll rename our book depreciation for company code. We'll mention it that we are using this chart of depreciation for our company code 205.
Okay.
This is what all we have to do in the third step, and we'll save it. And once we save it, our first configuration is completed here. So now the first configuration is completed here.
Okay.
Any doubt?
No.
Okay. Although second configuration is not possible until we assign the uh, and create the text code, but we'll still go on this to only to check, so that sometimes we should be aware. For example, if you are doing it and we have not uh, any error, we have not while working or anything, so we should be aware of, in case in the daily days someone come and some end user came and that this working is not done, so we should be aware of that at what time which type of error will come.
Okay.
Otherwise I can do the step 3 and 4 in the sequence, no error will ever come. But sometimes I'll keep the system, I'll keep the working this way, that error will be shown to us, so that in the real system we'll be ready how to work on it.
Okay.
So if you try to assign it, input text code non-taxable are missing, so we'll not be able to assign until the text codes are there. So I'll just open a new screen. Remember the text code T code
The tax code, no, sir.
in the GST? You have although you have created na once.
Yeah.
Okay. It was slash and
MW.
FD
Okay.
FTXP.
Okay.
What you were saying? What was the T code?
No, no, that was not the decode actually.
Okay.
We had those codes, no, MWBS and
Uh,
yeah,
that were the condition types.
yeah, okay,
But while creating this text code, we have to keep in mind that particular what we called it, the assignment of the country to our particular text code is there. We have to check it,
okay,
and we can check it while creating a. We'll just press the V0 here, a condition type. We'll give the name, input, uh, input text code, exempt or non-taxable. We can give any specification for now,
okay,
and in the future when we'll work on the real system, we'll see the whatever the description will be prescribed. We'll give that one.
okay,
We see here it is mentioned the procedure SAM GTX.
yeah,
Was this ours?
no,
So for that we'll assign a text procedure and we'll create it. Uh, 1 second. Session. I'm using your ones, but it will be okay for all.
Okay.
We'll again process the T code. So now it's been changed. We don't need to mention anything, just V0 name and description. These were our condition types which you have
Yes.
created while working.
Yeah.
Just save it. Nothing mentioning it. Same with the A0 as well. Output text code. Again save. And now we'll assign it. Remember the T code for the clearing? I mean for the log data clearing.
Yeah. Yeah. NSM 12.
Right. Remove our username and enter. Delete all. And now we'll assign our text code to our company code. So our company code 205. Save. Once it is done, we'll able to assign the chart of depreciation to a company code.
Okay.
We'll come on the no here the company code asset accounting assignment. So if you try to here again, एक minute, still missing. Give me a minute. It was assigned to our company code. Okay. Uh, text procedure. Okay. Actually, the reason is that while you were working on your particular 517, I haven't done the GST confusion here. So that's the reason why it's not assigning here. Will not be able to assign it.
Okay.
So it's that for that I have to complete the working of the GST one.
Okay.
And you have already done it, so it will be easier for you to assign it.
Okay.
So I'll complete that one, and up to until now, for now on, we'll do the rest configuration from 5 to 10. It will not give
Okay.
any error, but for that particular text procedure, I have to complete the configurations.
Okay.
But if you try to assign it, once you have created in the your respective V0 and A0, it will be assigned.
Okay.
So for now, we will not assign it, but do the rest working. And these four steps, you can do it afterwards as well. But all our steps are required before the final asset creation. There is no fixed sequence.
Okay.
Like up to the for GL account creation, you need all the configurations.
Yeah.
Same way here it is. First four, you will do the third and fourth for initially, no issue. Then you will assign the chart of depreciation and create it, creation and the assignment. You can do like ups. You can change the steps, but up for final working, we need all this working.
Okay.
So for now on, we'll just create all the things. That is first specific account determination. Here all the account determinations are already there. We can copy or we can create as well. There's no issue in it. So if you try to create it, go on the new entry. Just give the identification for which asset you are purchasing. For example, I'll give the machine. It is also in the notes as well, so easy to understand. And although you can create anything, any asset, laptop, machine, anything you want. Just save. As simple as creating the posting period variant, right?
Yeah.
But uh, these all these step working will be assigned in particular asset class. Same way as in the open and close posting period, we have the all the working, right?
Okay. Yeah.
You will see in the one in the second or third steps. Here it is saved, right? And even though if you want to rename, we can rename it that machine for, so that you will be able to identify if you are not able to identify with the identification sometimes. So we can rename it as well. Next is the screen layout creation, but in the screen layout creation we can't create, so we'll just copy any of anyone, irrespective it is laptop, machine or anything. We can copy anyone.
Okay.
It's just that we have to rename it.
Okay.
For example, this is building, we'll just copy it, give it as identification, machine, company code 205, and save. Seems like the simple one. Hmm.
Yeah, it's fine. But we can choose multiple also, right?
Multiple in means
Multiple these assets here.
we are doing for the one asset right now.
Okay.
If you want to do it for another one, you have to redo this step.
Okay. Okay.
I'll explain once again. See, account determination, which we have just done in the last step, you have done it for the machine, right?
Yeah.
But if you want to purchase laptop, you have to redo this step. Account determination, screen layout, number range, define
Okay.
class, everything up to the chart of depreciation.
Okay.
Then if you are purchasing any other laptop or machine and you have already done these steps, you have to just create another asset. No need to repeat all this working. It is done once.
Okay.
I guess you still have a doubt in this.
No, no, I understood. Here, it's the different class of assets is what we are
See,
giving under account determination, right? Machine, all the that is when we create machine, in future, how many ever machines we are going to buy of the same type, we can
Hmm.
put it under this.
Right.
Um,
We
yeah, that.
are reading the notes, na? This. I guess this one, na?
Yeah.
See, although this thing indicates that whenever you purchase any machine, again, you have you these all these things are there. Just link it to the account group.
Okay.
Account group expenses created. There are multiple expenses we have.
Yes.
So all the working is done for the creation of the any type of expense. For example, rent. You have once created the rent under the expense account group. All the chart of accounts there. Number of intervals we have. Retained earning account is already assigned. Whatever required for creation of the account GL account.
Yeah.
Now you have to create another expense account. Instead of the rent, you have to create stationery, interest paid, cash discount allowed. All will come under the expense.
Yes.
So will you repeat all the account group configuration, chart of
No.
account? You have to just create, and also the field status group for account creation, right?
Yeah.
All these once done, same way it is once done for machine.
Okay.
Number of machines will be purchased.
Okay.
For laptop, you have to redo all the things, and then you can create any number of assets, and then you can the laptop, and you can purchase.
Okay.
That's why I've mentioned it here.
Yeah, I understood.
And if you try to copy it, as I have given in the notes, instead of creating own, you just have to rename it.
Okay.
Same time will be taken. It depends upon how to you want to use it.
Okay.
Then asset class, then number ranges. Number range. Here we will copy it from any of the number range which is given.
Okay.
Uh, for that you can copy it from 205 as well, but also there is a number range given, I guess, in 11. It's given in the 11. One second. You go on the copy from 11, and from now you will go for 205 as well. Enter. Company code does not exist. Hmm. Okay, this is coming because of the assignment of chart of depreciation.
Okay.
This is the main reason for assignment. So instead of this, we'll complete the rest one, and tomorrow I will assign the particular uh, the the GST assignment which we have done today as well while
Oh,
creating the tax code, and also assign the chart of depreciation to the respective company code, so that it
okay.
will be easier for you that yes, this was the error why it was coming.
Yeah.
So but we have still the option to create asset class. We'll select any of the asset class we have, and we'll just rename all the things, or we can new entry as well.
Okay.
No changes there. Copy. Description. We'll change the account determination 205. Screen layout 205. Number range it is given 01. The standard number range will be created. In the last previous step, it was because we have not done it because of the assignment part,
Okay.
but tomorrow we'll do the same.
Okay.
And then just enter and save this. So in this part, first let me save it. I guess we have given all these steps, right? What we
Yeah.
have done, given the account determination, screen layout, and also the number range is already there mentioned, so I didn't change it. But although it's 0, 1, and we have to yet create it,
Okay.
and then the specific chart of depreciation, screen layout. Select this one, our specific asset class. Go on chart of depreciation. We'll have to just rename all because we have copied it.
Okay.
Mm, oh, 1 second. And also we have to click on a new entry for changing the chart of depreciation,
Okay.
because earlier it was given some 1 JP chart of
Yeah.
depreciation. For assigning the chart of depreciation, we'll have to click on the new entry
Okay.
and save. So up to here we have completed our first assignment, except assignment and number range. Any
Okay.
doubt until here?
No.
Okay. So next step is to 1 second. Just let me check once. Okay, it's done. Next step is to creation of all the required GL accounts. That is these all one: machine, accumulated depreciation, loss on sale, profit sale, all this one. It is easy if you are able to understand which type of account is a reconciliation one and which is not.
Yeah.
It will be only easy to create at that time, because see, machine is a part of balance sheet assets, and maximum accounts which came under the asset side are reconciliation account, like the sundry debtors
Yes.
we have. Same way the machine and the accumulated depreciation is also same. Reason that we have multiple machines.
Yes.
That's why it give us the same way the balance like the sundry debtor will give, because sundry debtor is also give us the total balance of all the unpaid customers we have.
Yes.
So whosoever give the total detail, it's a reconciliation account.
Yeah.
And whichever account particularly give the specific detail regarding the particular expense, we'll say, or uh, particular we'll say the balance of any expense, it will be normal general account.
Okay.
So accumulated depreciation and machine or any asset will be the reconciliation account G0667. Rest all are the profit and loss accounts, come under the profit and loss. So these are
Yeah.
the normal accounts, except this technical clearing. All these accounts are expenses or income, but part of profit and loss, and it will have the field header group G001.
Zero. Okay.
Copy any expense account and rename it. Rest are same.
Okay.
Copy any income account and rename the account name.
Yeah.
Rest will be same. For technical clearing, it will be used where we sell the asset, and
Okay.
also the loss on sale or sale of asset will be used in that time. But we have to create all.
Okay.
So just copy the sundry creditor account, but you need to change one thing, two things here. In case of this technical clearing and also this asset, that is the sort key.
Okay.
Sort key will be the 018 or 28.
Okay.
So also in the technical clearing liability, but sort key will be 018 or 28.
Okay.
Rest thing will be the same. So we'll just create it because it's easy to create because we have to copy all.
Yeah.
So T code for the creation of GL accounts.
And FS00.
Right. If you say /n, that will be also okay.
Yeah.
Assets, cash account. Sundry debtor 1003 up to so 1004. We'll click on the with template, assign 1003 sundry debtors account, and we'll just change the name and the sort key and the reconciliation account type.
Okay.
Just change the name to machine. Go and control data. Change this from customer to asset.
Okay.
Uh, if the asset we have created now the asset account type,
Yes, sir.
if that particular period is closed, we'll be able to make an entry.
If the asset is closed, the asset.
Asset period is closed,
No.
and if the asset period is not created, only the plus is created and it is
Yeah.
open.
Yeah. Then we can make an entry.
But if the asset period is also created, then plus and asset period both should be open.
Okay.
In that case, both. If the asset is not created, then only plus should be open.
Okay.
Then
So what happens if asset is open but plus it's not open,
same
or if
case,
plus?
same case. Both should be open. It is the, like we
Okay.
will say that these are the conditions that both the account types should be open. Only then we'll be able to make an entry.
Okay. Okay.
And if the plus is there and asset is not there,
Yeah.
we'll able to post an entry.
Okay.
But plus is also required even though we have asset or not. If you say the purchase is not there and asset is there, we'll not be able to post an entry.
Okay.
So plus is mandatory.
Okay.
Then here the number range 18. Here it is 18. So asset number. It will be field status group G067 and save. Clear?
Yeah, it's clear.
So we'll just change the number and we'll copy the 104 for accumulated depreciation because now
Okay.
all the things are same.
Yeah.
Control data. Reconciliation account type assets. Sort key 018. Create a bank G067 field status group.
Okay.
Save. Now the all the expenses account. 3002. 3002. Okay. Shall we create or create with template?
We can create. We can create now.
Okay. So what would be the account group in case of depreciation account?
Position expense.
P&L.
Yes, P&L in the depreciation account.
Where I have to take or I have to fill?
The sort key
Sort key will be.
0 to 8.
It's a profit and loss account.
Profit and loss account.
Expense account, na?
Yeah.
So sort key for
So
expense
it's
account.
G 001.
001 or 000.
Okay.
Both can be used for the GL, right?
Okay. Yeah.
Anything else?
Reconciliation. No, this we don't give reconciliation account for this. We can
Right.
save.
Okay. I'll just save as you say. See,
Okay. Yeah.
field status group is
Just
also
yeah. Please.
required. This is not the error. This is not red. But although we have to do it, that is line item display selection. Then field status group 001.
Okay.
Now it will be saved. So depreciation is created. Same way we will create the uh, scrap and the loss on sale of asset.
Yeah.
We'll now copy it from 3003.
Yeah.
Instead of depreciation, it will be loss on sale of assets. We need to specify it the sales of asset because sometimes we have the other losses as well.
Okay.
So here we specify the this is for the loss on sale of assets only.
Assets.
Sometimes we have the other losses. So line item display sort key 001 field status loss on sale depreciation. Let's see anything is left. Okay, and so all the expenses account are also created.
Yeah.
Then the profit on sale. We created up to 4002, so 4003. I'm copying it from 4002 sales account
Okay.
because rest things are same, just the name change will be there. Go on control data, item display sort key rest will be same and save.
Okay.
Then next is the sale of assets. So I'll just copy the 4003. Sale of assets. Control data lines all will be same and just save.
Okay.
Then one is left, that is a scrap.
Yeah.
You can also give it the name scrap on sale of asset as well,
Okay.
or the scrap as well, because see sometimes the scrap is of other things as well. So if we have mentioned the any other name for that type of scrap, so scrap will be okay. But for
Oh,
specification, we can give it the scrap on sale of asset. Save, because rest are same.
yeah.
So we've read all the accounts except the technical clearing, the liability one. 2004. So it is same as of the sundry creditor account,
Okay.
except the short key and the name and the reconciliation account type.
Okay.
So I'm just using the technical clearing account, sundry creditor account for technical clearing. Here we'll change from vendor to again assets.
Okay.
Short key will be 018. Create bank will be G067.
Okay.
Same. So here we have done all the creation of the assets as well.
Okay.
So I guess we have done up to the 10 to 11 configurations.
Yes.
So here we have done up to the approx 60 to 70% of asset parts.
Okay.
So we will rest leave the assignment and the assignments of the chart of depreciation and number ranges and the rest part for tomorrow,
Okay, sir.
so that it will not be hectic, but it is the shortest part because all the working is done. See, this all the working is related to our GL part. Can you
Yeah.
explain how? Hmm?
Yeah.
Okay,
I didn't get.
so how it is related to the GL account, all the configurations up to the GL account creation. Just go through once the notes of it, and
Okay.
this is the homework for you. How this asset part is related,
Okay.
and we'll discuss it tomorrow. So this is
Okay,
your
sir.
homework. Go through the notes only. You will be able to understand it. What is the
Okay.
exact answer?
Okay.
And also go through the notes of asset accounting part 1 and 2. What we
Okay.
have done up to here.
Sure.
So you'll be able to understand how to relate all the our sub-modules with the GL1. That is the
Okay.
important thing. That's why I'm giving this task to you.
Okay.
Okay. So that's all for today.
Okay, sir.